Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be seeing how to create a landing page using MailerLite. This is completely free. You don't have to provide any credit card information. You can just start off to create your landing page, but you have one restriction, which is if you have less than 1000 subscribers, it is completely free. But when subscriber list is increasing, you have to pay for that. Until you have 1000 subscribers, I think this is perfectly fine, and it will be really great to get started off free making landing pages. So I think we'll start off with the video. So first you have to make sure that create an account, sign up for free and make an account. So for this video I'll be creating a new account and I'll be showing you how to get started off. I have already filled my company information and other things, and we have to wait for approval. After approval only we'll be able to publish our landing page or site or whatever. There are so many options available, like you can create campaigns or forms or email automation, and can create website or landing pages. We'll be seeing in this video how to create landing page alone for your affiliate marketing. I would have already shown you how to create a sales page in through Interfunnels, which will not require any credit card information, though it actually is just a 14-day trial. After that you have to pay, but this one is completely free. So we'll see that how to create it. Follow the steps shown in this video, and after approval your the landing page will be published. So I'm just clicking on to Online Money Goals. It's a complete page for, like, it's just an organization. Like in Online Money Goals I'll be able to only get 1000 subscribers. More than that I have to pay premium packages. So these are all already available templates. For sales page I think we can create product template, we can choose with that. But I'm just showing you other templates also, like coming soon. You would have seen it for few products where they would have been featuring it for countdown pages. They will be making it countdown pages. So that one, have you ever seen this guy in book promotion has to that template, the guy at the bottom? Have you ever seen? I think he's from that comical Canadian DP. It's actually a copyright free image, but then that guy was featuring in that YouTube channel. That channel was actually a bot, and it's a scam, something kind of story it is. So there are so many categories here. I'll be going with deals, but we'll just see what is in featured. Oh sorry, there is no templates in featured. We'll choose with deals. Yeah, so we have product, featured, service and real estate. We are not going through real estate or featured service. We'll be choosing product template. But before I start customizing it, before choosing product template and customizing it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any notification from our channel. And now I have chosen this product template. You can completely customize this one, and it's really easy to do that. Just click on the part wherever you want to edit and choose that pen icon, and you will be able to edit it in the right side column. So if I want, I can choose this and edit it, or if I don't want that, I can just delete it. Can you see the delete icon? Or if I want to copy it again, I can copy it. If I have mistakenly deleted it, I can also undo it. Click undo and it will be redone. So yeah, and this is the page. The total landing page will be like this. I'll be editing few features which I really don't want, because I don't want this what customer says, or I don't want to feature my name here, because it's going to be a complete affiliate product landing page. I just want my products to be featured, like 2 or 3 columns to be featured, and the starting title. That's all. I don't want anything else. Yeah, we'll just have one subscribe mailing list also. That will be really nice, because we can also collect those mailing list and send them automated messages whenever we want to, like in a periodical time. So this is another one where you will be getting the success page when someone is subscribing to your newsletter. So they will be ended up in that success page, and I'm going to promote this product in that page. So I'll be getting my affiliate link now. I'll be copying it. This is from mylead.com. This is one affiliate marketing website. So I'll be copying my affiliate link and I'll be using it in this landing page. You can edit it however you want, you can change it, you can add whatever you want. It's just a drop, pick and drop, that's it. So it's so simple and so easy to make. I'm just deleting what all I really don't want. I am just going to keep it as simple as possible because I don't want to make my traffic to get confused and just wander without what is my notion on bringing them here. So it should be picture perfect. Like it should have what I want them to do. I want to drive sales, I want to make sales through my affiliate link. So that is what is my aim. So I am just deleting everything else and I am doing it now. I have just copied the link for my for my purpose. It's not what I'm going to do. I'm just leaving it there because I might forget it, so I just left it there. We'll edit it as a button after. Now I'll just add some description for this. So the most what I can say, like the best seller in the in my affiliate product which I'm promoting is actually wedding dress. So I like to promote it in that way because bestsellers will always be liked by a lot of people. So I thought it will be really nice if I promote the best selling products. They have very good wedding dresses for women, so I'm just going to promote it a bit more. I'll be making few posters for wedding dress this area, and yeah, I'm just going to do that after completing this one. So this is just an example, but make sure that you are making it more attractive and make a good copy, because that is really important to attract your customer, the traffic that you are driving through this page. So I'm making a button. Even the button has to be attractive and it should make people to click on. So make the title and description, everything attractive. So I'll make this button and I'll leave the URL to the affiliate product link, to my affiliate link. So make my wedding special. If they click on that, they will be redirected to my affiliate link. So I'll click on to open it in a new window because I like that a lot, opening everything in a new window, because I won't get lost with my first website which I have actually seen. Anyway, this website will be fully containing that same affiliate link. Now I'll be changing this poster. I don't want this one. I don't want it in this format. If you want, you can change it, change this specific one itself, or if you want to upload any other, you can upload it. I am just going to upload some other image. I don't want this one specifically. And you also even have image editing tools here, like you have filter, adjust, focus, everything you have. If you want to add text, you can do that, but I'm not going to use this one. I'm just going to upload my already made image. So I have deleted it and I'm going to upload a new image now. Click on change and see, I have already uploaded few images. Now I'm just going to add another one. I have skipped few steps because it's repetitive. I'll be showing you what all it is important. Don't think that you are just lost with it. I have skipped a few part of it, or the video will be too long. It's already 13 minutes I think, so it will take much more than what I have created it now. So see, this is how you can add images. I have also edited a few other part. I have just copied it from my text which I have already made it few minutes ago. So I'll be adding one more button here. shop now, so that even if they are at the bottom of the page, they are scrolling and they came at the bottom, they could even click from there. Yeah, so this is my edited one. See, I have added one poster for the dream wedding. You can easily make posters in Photoshop if you know, or you can even make it in online. When they click on that, they will be redirected to the my affiliate URL. I have also added few buttons here and there. So I think this is fine for a sales page. If you want, you can edit the button itself. You can change the color, background color of the button, but I am not going to do all those things. I am just leaving it to you. Once you get inside through this editing page, you will be going on with your flow. It's really simple because you can understand from what the name is, because that's how simple is the interface is. So it will be really easy for you to edit. You won't be needing that much of guidance after you get into this one. Just get started off with it, align it, make it however you want. It's really simple. So even if I want, I can edit it. I'm just going to add one button. I'll be pasting my URL again. I lost it. That's why I usually used to paste it in somewhere where I can note it. I just forgot to paste it there in the description. I'm just going to give shop now. And yeah, so when you're okay with this one, you can just click on to save as draft until you get your account approved. Your landing page will be in draft form only. So once yours is totally completed and your account is approved, you're good to go with publishing it. But I haven't edited my success page, so this is when they will be redirected when they subscribe to my newsletter. So I'll just add one image randomly. I'll add this one and let the thank you be. So I think this is pretty good. Now I'll just save it as a draft. And after saving it as a draft, you have to enter your URL. You won't be getting custom URL in free thing. So this is my final landing page which we have created now. So after entering URL and publish, you will be getting like this. So this is the final one. And that's all about the video, guys. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer it as soon as possible. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.